Hello everyone. This week we are in a place where we are going to swim with millions of fishes. But not just that, we are going to jump off the cliffs, dive in some caves, visit whale sharks, see some matcha hills, and also go to different islands and fly a drone for the first time.
So, we put our drone entirely into the water.
First, let's introduce ourselves. Namaskaram, everyone. This is Satya Akavatisal, and welcome to my YouTube page. And this week, we are in this beautiful South Asian country of Philippines. So, welcome to Cebu.
So now we are currently in Bangalore airport, and this is your Satya doing her first solo international travel. And yes, as I told you, this is like a women's trip, and all other women will be joined from different destinations throughout the India. And I thought I'm coming from Bangalore, and my flight duration is like too long. First, you have to come to Bangalore airport. From Bangalore airport, I'm going to Chennai. From Chennai, I'm going to Singapore, and from Singapore, finally, I'll be in Cebu, and which is Philippines. And yeah, tomorrow I'm going to reach. It is like almost 26 7 8 hours maybe. So till then हम तो बात करते ही रहते हैं. This is our work now. And yeah, क्योंकि हमारा कोई, because I don't have any traveling partner right now in this place, you are going to be my partners. And let's see, हम जज भी करते हैं लोगों को, ठीक है. And yeah, it's like I'm in this lounge. First time I had to go access because I never had my credit card. I never gave it. Every time it's like something or the other happens, and I'm always delayed entry. Always, trust me. So this time actually I got through. It's my first time. I thought, okay, it's nice, and I ate so much. I didn't know, but I ate so much. Like obviously, I'm excited for Philippines trip. Obviously, you can see it on my face. Very much excited wala face hai. But then I am so excited to see Singapore ka airport. It's like the best airport in the world. So kaise miss kar sakte hai, right? So now after 2 stops we'll see there. बीच में भी बात करेंगे, तो bye.
Currently lounging in front of my gate in Chennai International Airport Terminal 2. Yes, we have landed in Terminal 1, and I forgot to tell you, Bangalore Indigo flight people told me not to board the flight because I came late, and then I told please. And they're okay. Yeah, so that is why I have checked in this place, didn't go to any lounge, came directly to this place because I don't have a lot of time also. It's 7:30 now, and 8:30, 9 o'clock is our flight. I don't want to miss it. Like when they told that I cannot board the flight, my blood rushed from my head to toes like stress. So yeah, I'm sitting here. I have a bunch of things planned to do to see the Singapore Changi Airport, Chiang Mai Airport, but हम रात को जा रहे हैं, and I have been seeing all the opening timings as all the attractions. Opening timings as 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. or 12 p.m. So I don't think we are going to do a lot of things because कल 10:45 पर flight है, and again I don't want to गुस्सा करूँ the flight attendants. So yeah.
Okay, इतना तो पता चल गया कि I am at Changi Airport, the most cleanest airport of the world and also one of the most beautiful airport. You have waterfall in this airport, everything is there. So let's see if I could cover all of them. So now, so if you see, अभी पीछे का कुछ नहीं हो रहा है, ऊपर if you see there will be a show going on very soon, hopefully very soon. मैं जब आई थी, just when I landed this was going on and मैं नीचे गई थी, I went to search around to कि क्या है, what is the process and all, and so I came back and there was a nice beautiful koi show, fishes जा रहे हवा में, अच्छा है. I want to record it for once at least. And then there is a lot of birds chirping around. Maybe they have kept some artificial sounds everywhere. And also there is fish actually trapped inside of the on the glass that you walk. So I'll show you that as well. So this is starting of Singapore airport for you, and I'll continue everything in aesthetics. Chalo.
చాంగి ఎయిర్పోర్ట్లోకి వచ్చేసాం. సో ఫుడ్ ఏదైనా ఎక్స్ప్లోర్ చేద్దాం. స్టాప్, జూమ్. కైలాష్ పర్వత్ సింగపూర్లోనా?
I am currently waiting in T1. I transferred from T2 to T1 in a SkyTrain, and then now we are here in T1. I wanted to drop my baggage, but Philippines Airlines is not there. You can actually do an automatic baggage drop for most of the main airlines because the Philippines Airlines is छोटा ऐसे Alliance Airlines जैसा. तो हम इधर ही बैठे हैं. We didn't cross the gates. Only if we cross the gates we can see all the attractions around here in Changi Airport. So I have shown you this waterfall over here. Aage, if I could, I will show you. If not, please forgive me.
I think you'll have to forgive me because I am unsuccessful on my first challenge, which is watching the jewel of Changi Airport. But the journey to Philippines has to continue, so let's board this flight. And yes, we will definitely try to still make this happen on our way back.
Now we are going to Manila T1 airport. We have land, but T2 we have to reach, and then udhar se we go to Cebu, which is our final port of destination. And I have traveled so much in last like yesterday only, that was. हर जगह, every place, the customs or passport verification is very tedious. I went to Maldives and Sri Lanka. They were not that strict and something, so I thought okay fine. But then no dude, if you come this way, Singapore, anywhere this side, I think it's very difficult. So yeah, so I've faced so much. I had to pay 1000 PHP to change my name because my name is so big. It had made so many problems in the flight tickets. So please do write your names and everything properly. And let's see the Cebu app. Manila T2 now.
Just because 40 PHP ఖర్చు పెట్టాను, which is 60 rupees for this donut. Let's eat 60 rupees for a donut, how it tastes. This looks nice. Finally, we are here in the Philippines airport of our interest, Cebu. Pehle Manila bhi is a part of Philippines only. But guys, after traveling in 4 flights from Bangalore to Chennai, Chennai to Singapore, Singapore to Manila, and Manila to Cebu, finally we are at this our final destination, and we are so many places to explore. Now it is 7:30, as I told you. I still have to find me a cab. But guys, let's go explore Philippines. So currently we landed in Cebu and they asked us to come to Bharat Spice. हमारी Indians को Philippines आने के बाद भी we have to eat Indian food only or what? And this is the first day for everyone there. Okay. So now I'm going to Bharat Spice. Let's catch a cab. This is 7:30 right now in the evening. I thought I'll take some public transport just to explore, but obviously I'm doing solo traveling and this is the first day. I don't want to mess up everything on the first day. So let's take a cab.
So yeah, that's a limo, and I thought when they asked me for thank you very much. So when they asked me to get a cab, I came outside, and the first person who asked me for a cab, I said okay, and then they brought me to a limo. I have seen so many airport taxis outside, but then they charged me 700 peso. I thought 700 peso to ठीक है ना. 30 kilometers at our place also we used to give 1000 rupees I thought, but I think I could have spent much lesser than that. So now बोलना आना चाहिए. Do you know how to say no? I should learn that. Okay, going to Barnes Spice Bike. So this is the streets of Cebu. So many restaurants here. This is called Cebu IT Parkinson's. So.
So we are at our first destination, which is Badian, and here we are going to do canoeing. And if you don't know what is canyoneering is, you'll see in just a few minutes. And we are going to trek a lot as well. Today I was supposed to wear shoes as well, but I wore my Crocs as usual. I actually don't know what we do in canyoneering. They said we're going to jump, slide, swim, everything. So let's see what all we are going to do. And so I'm already ready in my swimming outfit. And you know, people here in Philippines follow my rule only. Wear the swimsuit inside of your dress, open the shirt, and you're always swim ready. So I think this is the place I have to stay now. Okay, now let's go canyoneering. Bye.
Okay, now let's see Lamborghini of Philippines. So, right here you have.
My name is Satya.
Satya?
Yeah.
Wanna try?
Yeah, sure.
You're a good shooter?
You should tell me.
This one, number 3. The next one is number 11. Wow! Good shot. Yeah. What's with you? Your boyfriend? Or
Oh,
what's with you? Your boyfriend?
oh, there. We have come for a girls' trip. That's right. We are on a girls' trip, and that brings us to our second challenge, which is making girlfriends. I mean, making these girls my friends. Our plan is to do all of this during canyoneering. So let's see how much we'll bond. There are a lot of people who have come to do these activities, canyoneering, which is very famous over here. So it's said that's very beautiful also. And from here you have to actually trek for a while. I heard the total activities will take 3 to 4 hours. And I'm thinking, so let's say it is 2 hours trekking, let's say. But if you don't want to trek, there is a zip line as well. So you can opt for that, which I'll show you. Hi. So here's our guide.
How are you? Welcome here in Mars. Welcome. Welcome to the canyoneering.
So what should we expect from canyoneering?
Oh, what to expect?
Yeah.
There's a lot to expect.
Okay.
In canyoneering.
Okay.
All the adrenalines, jumping,
Okay.
swimming.
Okay. If we don't know to swim, still we can jump?
Oh yes, of course. You
Okay.
have your vest on. So
Okay, okay. So how's the depth?
How's the depth?
Yeah.
All the jumps are deep enough
Oh,
to
okay.
cover your,
Till the legs. Yeah, so we
Yeah.
don't hit our legs.
you won't hit the ground.
Right. Okay, okay. So let's go. We are still walking, and then we'll see after we reach the place.
While the rest of the girls started to take the first step,
I can't go alone. Can I jump from there? Now I'm getting scared.
Lady boy.
this is how we did the first jump. And the 7 consecutive jumps.
Okay, are you ready? Go! Go!
Finally, we have arrived at Kawasan Falls and now it's time for our second challenge. Let's strike up a conversation with the girls and see if they respond.
I've jumped like so many times, and now we have watched the Kawasan Falls till second level, and now we are going for another level. And I've been using throughout my Insta360 only. I don't know how the content came, but I hope and I wish it comes good. And water content to Insta360 हमेशा खराब कर ही देते हैं कुछ ना कुछ करके. But there was nice light this time. Hoping it will come good. And oh my god, everyone's calling me the brave Indian. And okay, let's go to the next level of Kawasan Falls, and we'll fly our drone this time for sure. Very wow.
What is the floating restaurant?
On Lubbock River.
In Lubbock River. So it's like the most famous thing.
Yeah.
In Philippines,
One.
you're telling.
One of them.
One of the favorite. But what is your favorite thing here?
Favorite thing here?
Huh?
This one.
This one?
Canyoneering, yeah.
It is so good. So good. You have to do it.
It'll meet your expectations in here.
So if they come here, they'll have to do with you, right?
Yeah, of course.
So introduce yourself.
Oh, by the way, my name is Gerald.
He's
You'll
very
see me
good.
here every day.
Yeah, you'll see him every day, and he has got our watch back. So you should remember Gerald forever.
Yeah.
Okay. So we have Spider-Man here.
Hey, Spider-Man.
Spider-Man. You look like Peter Parker as well. Yeah. How come? You start. Tell.
Kim Jong-un.
I'm Christy.
Yay.
And my name's John.
Hey.
My name is Ford.
Christopher. Okay. And this is Satya.
Welcome to my vlog. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Yeah, do subscribe to my YouTube channel. That's it for me, What to Soul, bringing you part 1 of our adventure covering day 0 and day 1 in Philippines with Vacanza trips. I said subscribe, the fun-loving Filipinos said subscribe, so what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button now, share this video with your fellow adventure enthusiasts and solo women travelers, and follow me for more travel vlogs. We have got more challenges and adventures ahead. So stay tuned for the next part of our journey through Philippines, and don't forget to leave a nice comment below. See you in the next video.